How to fix special characters not allowed in the file name problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to the file where you're having the issue. Simply hold on to the file and click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Rename. After you've clicked on Rename, if you try to delete everything and just type in random, it won't be, as you can see. Now, what you can do is, if there is APK at the last, you will need to add something to your name and then type in .apk and press on OK. And in this case, it's ty.txt. You can type in anything at the front, but you will need to add .txt at the bottom. In this way, you will need to do same with other files if you're trying to rename. And this is how to fix special characters not allowed in the file name problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.